Jacob, Este bro, now the kids are asleep. Can you explain what really happened? So these are really your children? Ikaw yung pedicab driver na nabangga ng kotse ni Daddy? Si Gianna ba ang nakatuluyan mo? I thought you went abroad and settled there kasi yun yung sabi ng mga parents mo sa daddy ko right after they pull out their investment sa business.
Let's talk outside, bro. My kids can't hear the truth without telling it first to my wife. It's too risky. I understand. Let's go outside. Okay, bro, tell me what really happened to you. Naguguluhan ako sa mga nangyayari. My dad just found my sister just now but I'll tell it to you kapag andito na sila. My mom and dad wants me to marry the daughter of one of their business partner, bro.
Ernesto, hindi muna ako sasabay sa'yo. Ipagdadrive ako ni Gianna pa uwi. Uy, may sarili na siyang kotse? No bro, it's mine. I let her use it for her work. Hirap siya bumiyahe eh. Bro, see you tomorrow. Ingat kayo ni Gianna pa uwi.
Hey babe, how's school?
It's great. Akalain mo yun, 1 year na lang at makakatapos na ko.
Nakakamiss mag-school, babe. Kung hindi lang nagkasakit si mami ko, edi sana sabay tayong magtatapos next year.
Hey, it's okay. Kapag naging doktor ako, tutulungan kita makabalik sa pag-aaral uli.
Thanks, babe. I love you.
I love you too, babe. Halika na, my parents are waiting for me. They'll be discussing something important daw.
Malapit ka na kasing makagraduate, babe. For sure, ipipilit nila na ikaw ang mag-manage ng business nyo.
As much as I don't want to, but I am their sole heir, mukhang ganun nga ang mangyayari. Ayoko na muna isipin yun, babe. Matagal pa naman magre-retire si dad, may ilang taon pa ko para ma-practice ko ang pagiging doktor ko once na makagraduate ako.
Andito na tayo, babe.
Do you wanna get inside, babe? Samahan mo kami mag-lunch ni na mom and dad.
As much as I want to, babe, I can't. I need to sleep. You know my work as a casino dealer, gising kami sa gabi. I just want to fetch you from school and drop you off sa mansion nyo para alam kong safe ka.
Sweet mo naman, babe. Pwede naman ako sumabay kay Ernesto eh. Kaya love na love kita.
Andito na tayo, babe. Bumaba ka na ang cheesy mo masyado.
Ingat ka, babe, pa uwi ha.
Please call me once you wake up.
I will, babe. Talk to you later.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom.
Yes, prepare food for my son. Anak, sit beside me. We have important matters that we need to discuss with you.
What is it, Mom?
Oliver, darling, go tell Jacob about your proposal.
Jacob, anak.
My business partner and I have come to an agreement. You'll marry their daughter. Papatapusin ka lang namin sa pag-aaral like we promised. But after you graduate, you have to manage the business. You will be the CEO, but for that to happen, papakasalan mo ang anak ng aking business partner. Marrying her will be an advantage since their business will be handed over to you. Hindi na tayo magiging investor lang sa business nila. We will set a meetup to their daughter para makita mo siya. Dad, are you even serious? You know I have a girlfriend, right? I have plans to settle with Gianna. I can't just marry a random woman, Dad. Mom, don't tell me you agree to Dad's plan for me. This is absurd. Yung career ko kinokontrol nyo na, pati ba naman sa mapapangasawa ko in the future? Wala sa usapan ng pagpapakasal sa hindi ko kilala at magmamanage pa ng business nila. That's too much, Dad! I'm sorry, Mom and Dad, but I will not just let you control everything in my life. I love Gianna and I am serious about her.
Si Jana, wala siyang future. She stopped her studies and work as a casino dealer.
She is no good for you and our business.
I've heard enough. I want to go upstairs. Wala na akong gana kumain.
No, we're not done with you, Jacob.
I won't listen to any of this nonsense.
Mark my words, Jacob. Gianna is weak and will abandon you. Ricardo Jacob Alcala, come back here.
Hello, babe. Sorry if I wake you up. Can I ask a favor? Can I stay in your house right now? My parents and I had a heated argument.
I will tell you everything in person. I love you, Gianna.
Okay, see you soon, babe. I love you too.
Amelia, calm down. Nabigla lang yung anak natin, sa huli, he will still obey us.
I'm really upset, darling.
Sagabal si Gianna sa mga plano natin para kay Jacob.
Tita Amelia, napatawag po sila?
Hello, Gianna. This is Jacob's mother. Di na ko magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. Layuan mo ang anak ko, ibibigay ko lahat ng kailangan mo. We will fund your studies, help your mother for her therapies and medicines, and I will give you 50 million pesos. Break up with my son at huwag ka nang magpapakita sa kanya kahit kailan!
Wait for me, Gianna. I hope you will agree with my plan. Itatana na kita.
Gianna, it's me, Jacob. I'm here. Open up.
Gianna? Why are you crying? May problema ba?
Jacob, I am breaking up with you. Sana hindi na magtagpo ang landas natin. Go home, I don't want you near me.
But babe, I thought you loved me. Madami pa tayong plano, di ba? What happened, Gianna? Did my parents call you?
Jacob, just stop. I don't love you anymore.
Mom? What did you do to Gianna?
I told you she is weak and will leave you if there's other options for her. She grabbed my offer in exchange of leaving you for good.
Mom, you broke my heart. Huwag niyo na ako hanapin ni Dad, hindi na ako uwi.
After nun, binenta ko lahat ng alahas na suot ko pati cellphone ko para may panimula ako. Saka ako bumili ng pedicab at bumili ng barong-barong na bahay sa Manila. That's great, but you can find decent jobs, bro. Nag-college ka naman. Di ka lang nakatapos. Mom and dad have connections, bro. Mahahanap nila ako agad sa ganung paraan. You have a point, bro. Teka, if hindi si Gianna ang nakatuluyan mo, sino? Yung ate mo, si Linda. No way, bro. Seryoso ka? Kahit ako, di ako makapaniwala. Yes, and siya pala yung ipinapakasal sa akin para mag-merge ang business ng family natin. Napaluha ako kanina sa revelation ng daddy nyo. Ang galing ni Lord, bro. It's good to see you again. Iba talaga kumilos si Lord, bro. Kahit ako kanina nung nalaman ko yun, kinilabutan ako. Wala talagang imposible sa Diyos. Ikaw pala yung brother-in-law ko, akalain mo yun? Praise be to God. Hey, when are you going to tell my sister about your identity and family background? And yung parents mo, bro, you need to see them and make peace with them. Kapag gumaling na yung anak kong si Kulas, bro, saka ko aayusin lahat. Please make this a secret between us, bro. Jacob, wait ha. Tumatawag si Daddy. Okay, take your time, bro. Hello, Dad? Ha? Si ate nahimatay? Pumunta na kayo dito! Jacob, si ate, nawala ng malay! Ha? Seryoso? Tara na!